And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a segmented crop transition. It almost works exactly like the regular crop transition. I've got two video files right here in my timeline. First up, I need to create an overlap. Let me put the first file on top on video channel 2 and the second one below. Now I'm going to find the correct position for the overlap, so the first frame where the second video file starts. Once I've found it, I need the crop effect, so type it in, drag and drop it on the first file. Here it is in my effect controls. If you can't find these menus, use your window, effect controls and effects. Alright, I already have the correct position to start our animation, so I click on this clock icon for left. Now I jump to the end, create a new keyframe, and I set it to 100. So this is our regular crop transition. Let me go to round, let's say 25%, and I create a new keyframe, another one at 50 and another one at around 75. Still, if I roll it, nothing has really changed. And the reason why is we've got it set to linear by default. We can select them all, so select our keyframes, right click, and we want to simply change it to hold. And now it jumps in between these values, you can see that now. And this is basically it. So by default, all of these crop transitions work in a linear fashion when you animate them. We want to set them to hold, and that creates this segmented effect. Let me just quickly add that for top, and you can see it works in every direction. So I'll start the animation for top, I jump to the endpoint, set a new keyframe, and then make it 100%. But this time let me only add another keyframe in the center, so around 50%. I'll select them all, right click, set them to hold. And now we've got this segmented effect from the top. And this is how you can create segmented crop transitions in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.